everyone. Today we are going to start respiration. Respiration to broken down of food to give us energy to do work is called respiration. To broken down of food to give us energy to do work known as respiration. जो भी हमने खाना खाया है हमें उससे एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगी? जब वो हमारी बॉडी में जाएगा, ब्रोकन डाउन होगा, देन इट विल बी मिक्स विद द ब्लड और हमें एनर्जी मिल जाएगी. दैट इज नोन एज रेस्पिरेशन. सो टू ब्रोकन डाउन अ फूड टू गिव अस एनर्जी टू डू वर्क इज कॉल्ड रेस्पिरेशन. टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. फर्स्ट वन इज aerobic respiration. Second one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, as name indicates, aerobic, that respiration occur in the presence of oxygen. That respiration take place in the presence of oxygen known as aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, those respiration take place in the absence of oxygen known as anaerobic respiration. Respiration take place in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Respiration those take place in the absence of oxidation. Those occur in the presence of oxygen. Our food is glucose. When it will be broken down, that process is known as glycolysis. Glucose converted into pyruvic acid. This reaction occurs in the cytoplasm. Pyruvic acid in mitochondria broken down in carbon dioxide, water and ATP. ATP is energy currency. Glucose, that is food, broken down into pyruvic acid. It will be break down carbon dioxide, water and 38 molecule of ATP. ATP is the energy currency that store the energy. Whenever we need the energy, we receive energy from in the form of ATP. That is the aerobic respiration that take place in mitochondria. Second one is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic, those respiration take place in absence of oxygen known as anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, where it occur? Yes, it occur in bacteria, small microorganisms, yeast, etc. For example, fermentation of alcohol, formation of alcohol. When glucose, by the process of glycolysis, it will be break down into pyruvic acid. In absence of oxygen, it will be break down into ethyl alcohol, that is also known as ethanol, plus carbon dioxide plus 2 molecule of ATP, energy currency. That is the main difference between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic, those take place in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic, those take place in absence of oxygen. In aerobic reaction, there are 38 molecule of energy will form. It means lot of energy will be produced to do work. But in anaerobic reactions, only 2 molecule of energy will be formed. That is, it is very less for us. That's why in our body there are aerobic respiration. We are continuously taking the breathing and take the oxygen. In that presence of oxygen, there are broken down of food and carbon dioxide, water and 38 molecule of energy is formed. But in bacteria, in the fermentation of alcohol, in the fermentation of fruits, rotten fruits, vegetable, etc., there are anaerobic reactions occur when bacteria cannot able to get the oxygen. In that case, bacteria broken down that food, whatever they have, broken down the food and convert that food into ethanol. Other name of ethanol is ethyl alcohol, and we are generally known as that it is a drink शराब. हम शराब कैसे बनाते हैं, वो कैसे बनती है? बाय द फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस. जो फ्रूट्स हैं, वेजिटेबल्स हैं, रोटन फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, उनको इकट्ठा करते हैं. वो काफ़ी टाइम तक 6 मंथ के अराउंड एज इट इज़ रहते हैं. वहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया डेवलप होंगे. बैक्टीरिया परफॉर्म द अनारोबिक रिएक्शन and change it into ethanol. That is the process to formation of ethanol. And there are a big difference between aerobic and anaerobic. Now you can write it. Aerobic that take place in presence of oxygen, anaerobic that take place in absence of oxygen. In aerobic reaction there are large molecule of energy is formed. In anaerobic there are less energy is formed. In aerobic respiration 38 molecule of energy formed. In anaerobic reaction only 2 molecule of energy is formed. Aerobic occur in human beings, anaerobic occur in microorganisms, yeast, bacteria, etc. That all procedure, these are the mainly 2 types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Third one is lack of oxygen. That is also type of anaerobic respiration. When we are third one is lack of oxygen. That is also a type of anaerobic respiration. When we are doing a vigorous exercise, जब भी हम कभी कोई हैवी काम करते हैं, हैवी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, या सीढ़ियाँ बहुत तेज़ी से चढ़ते हैं, या आप सभी बच्चे प्लेग्राउंड में खेल रहे हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, उस केस में सांस तेज से जाने लग जाती है, हमारी सांस फूल जाती है. When we are doing vigorous exercise, physical exercise, in that case we are taking oxygen fastly, because in that case in our body there are a lack of oxygen. जब हम कोई भी काम बहुत स्पीड से कर रहे हैं, हमें एनर्जी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, उस टाइम बॉडी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है. उस डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से हमें तेज सांस आने लग जाते हैं और हम लोग तेज तेज हांफने लग जाते हैं. इट मीन्स ऑक्सीजन हमारी बॉडी में जल्दी जल्दी सप्लाई होगी और हमें जल्दी एनर्जी मिल जाएगी. उस केस में हमारी बॉडी में थर्ड टाइप का रेस्पिरेशन होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. डेट इज नोन एज अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन that take place in our muscles. Anaerobic respiration take place in our muscles during vigorous physical exercise when oxygen used up faster in the muscles cell. It means जो भी हम ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं वो हमारी बॉडी में जल्दी जल्दी कंज्यूम हो रही है, and we need more and more oxygen. That's why we are taking the breath fast and very fast. In that case, oxygen, our food start to broken down and give us energy. Glucose, by the glycolysis, it will be broken down into pyruvic acid. But when there are a absence of oxygen, it means we need more oxygen to broken down of this food. That reaction take place in our muscles cell. In that case, our food is not broken down into carbon dioxide and water. It will be broken down into lactic acid and only 2 molecule of ATP. Lactic acid, that is a product in the type of lack of oxygen. It means whenever there are lack of oxygen in our body, what will be formed? Yes, what will be formed? Lactic acid. That is the main product when we are doing the vigorous exercise, heavy work, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहे हैं, उतर रहे हैं, दौड़ रहे हैं, तेज दौड़ रहे हैं, जो भी हम हैवी वर्क करते हैं उस टाइम हमारी बॉडी में कुछ टाइम के लिए ऑक्सीजन की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है और हम तेज तेज सांस लेते हैं. इन दैट केस, उस केस में हमारी बॉडी में मेन प्रोडक्ट बनता है लैक्टिक एसिड. दैट इज अ थर्ड टाइप. मेनली 3 types. That can say 3 different ways of broken down of food. Firstly, glucose. In all three reactions, glucose broken down into pyruvic acid. That are common reaction. Glucose converted into pyruvic acid by the process of glycolysis. This reaction occurs in cytoplasm. Pyruvic acid further divided into three different parts. First one is presence of oxygen, that is also called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, presence of oxygen, mainly from carbon dioxide, water and 38 molecule of energy. Second one is anaerobic respiration, absence of oxygen. When there are absence of oxygen, main product is ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and 2 molecule of ATP. Third one is lack of oxygen. Lack of oxygen, it means main product is lactic acid and only 2 molecule of ATP energy will be formed. Have you clear to all of you now? These combined are known as three different ways of broken down of food. How can food broken down in three different methods? That is three different ways to broken down of to take oxygen and give up carbon dioxide. Breathing, only taking the oxygen inside the body and giving out carbon dioxide. That is a physical process. Taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. But respiration, broken down of food and giving us energy to do work. Mostly students, जब भी respiration पूछा जाता है, they will tell about the breathing. But they both terms, breathing and respiration, are differ from each other. Breathing क्या है? Only ऑक्सीजन को अंदर लेना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकालना. That is a breathing. But respiration, जिसमें एक पूरा प्रोसीजर इन्वॉल्व है, जो हमने खाना खाया है वो broken down होगा, then we will get the energy. That is known as the respiration. So there are a difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing and respiration. Respiration to broken down of food is known as respiration, but breathing only taking the oxygen inside our body and giving out carbon dioxide. Respiration, it is a chemical process that involves so many chemicals, then we will get the energy to do the work. But breathing, we only take the oxygen from one nose, another nose we giving out the carbon dioxide. That is a physical process. It released more energy to do the work, but there are a little bit energy we can be get. That is only a physical process to take the oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Thank you. Now this topic is over. Thank you to all of you.